Hello everyone, I just wanted to send another quick little screencast here to show you how to find grade information, assignments, missing assignments, all of that, just as a follow-up to the email I sent this morning. So if you are in Axis and under this My Day page and Progress, which is generally the default page you'll end up at when you log in, at least as a student, and I believe as a parent. If you choose your student and then come here to the Progress, that'll be the right spot. So as you can see, you've got all of your child's courses listed here. And if you wanted to see their grade for something, for example, we could see here for history, if we click See Grade Detail, it will open up and we can see what the grade percentage is. Right up here at the top, we can see if they've been excused from any assignments, if any are incomplete, if any are late, and if any are missing. So that missing one will be extremely helpful if you are trying to figure out if your child is missing any assignments. They will also show up next to any assignments here. If something is missing, under the Notes tab, it will show that it is missing or late right there. So this is the best way to kind of keep an eye on each class and what is missing or late or any of that, as well as just see their grades in the class and broken down by the assignment type. And you can from there just click Next Course and get through all of their courses here. A few of these obviously have no grades, but you can see as it shows up, and you can see assignments that are excused. You can see if they were absent, when it was assigned, all of those sort of things. So if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email. As always, have a great day.